Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So at first, look at the Forex sentiment meter. So you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashajarika.com under the Forex 101 section. So if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, then we see here is our beloved gold, crazy gold. So 23% retail traders have taken short position and 76% retail traders have taken long position. Keep in mind that this sentiment meter shows the positions of the retail traders, not the institutions. So 76% retail traders are still on the buy side, or they are still holding their buy position on gold, and only 23% are on the sell side. And if you look at the meters here, then we see the average buy price is 1803, means that 76% retail traders are in loss right now because of their buying position above 1800 level, and whereas few have taken short position at 1790 1739 level. So these are very old level sell positions, I guess. Okay, so this is the overall scenario of gold here among the retail traders, and this is our 4 hours chart of gold USD. Yesterday we saw huge drop on the price of gold, and as I told you yesterday that if gold falls below 1780, then you can take a sell position, and as per our expectation, market did fall and you all have made good money. Whenever I receive emails, messages, comments that you all have made good money from my analysis, I really feel extremely happy and overwhelmed that my analysis is doing a good job for you guys. My experiences, at least my experiences, helping you all to make money. Anyways, let's see what are the trading opportunities. Okay, we have now. At first, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY first. Okay, so this is the chart of DXY right now, and right now market is trading at the current market price is 96.49. This is the current market price of US dollar DXY here. Yes, the ascending triangle pattern is still on. There is no doubt, because market is, whenever market is coming down, it is not crossing the previous low. You can see market is constantly forming new higher lows here. So it clearly signifies that buyers have the intention of taking the market upward, and moreover market is also in uptrend. But market is right now struggling at this particular price level here. Okay, so we have a small resistance here at 96.60 to 96.50. This level is right now holding the DXY here. So in case market fails to cross this level now and comes down, listen to me carefully, in case market fails to cross this level and comes down again, then this trend line will be acting as the support. Okay, so do not think that if DXY is coming down, it means a trend reversal. We will not consider any trend reversal on DXY unless it crosses 95.50. As I always say, for a trend reversal confirmation, we need an inverted V pattern. Here we still do not have that, and if DXY comes down, then there is a good possibility of DXY bouncing from this trend line. If it bounces here from the trend line taking support, then again we will see movement in gold. If DXY goes up, we generally see gold going down, and when DXY goes up, if DXY goes down, we generally see gold going up. Okay, so take your decision responsibly. What I'm saying is that right now there may be a chance of gold, so DXY coming down and taking support at the trend line, and on the other hand, if it breaks the level and starts going up, then definitely you will see heavy selling on gold. Okay, and moreover, we also have events coming up today. Let me take you to the event here. Yeah, this is the economic calendar, and you see we have retail sales coming up after 8 hours 13 minutes, and this is a high impact news. So their US dollar DXY will be volatile after this event, so be careful. Now let's talk about gold chart. So as you can see clearly right now, gold is trading at 1770 level. 1770 level is a minor support for gold right now, and it is trying to take a support here. Okay, but if DXY starts falling, yes, you remember the level. If DXY starts falling from that level, then obviously gold will take support and start going up from here. Gold will take support and start going up from the 1770 level. In case 1770 level fails, then the next minor level, yes, all the levels are minor. Okay, the next minor level will be 1765. In case gold bounces from 1765 level, you can take a buy position. But if it fails to provide support, then the next level will be 1761 or 1762. Okay, if it bounces from this level, well enough, good enough, there's a good chance of market bouncing from this level. Okay, but in case this level also fails, then there will be heavy selling on gold. There should be heavy selling, and the next important level or buying level for gold will be 1750. Among all these levels, 1750 is the strongest support for gold, not only as a psychological support, but also we have seen in the past that 1750 was a very strong support for gold. So keep your eyes on the chart, not chart on the eyes. So if 1770 provides the required support, it will bounce, and if it fails, then 1765. This is 1765 is also a minor support. Do not consider it as a very major strong support. Okay, so do not take any big position. And moreover, we have a news coming up, so you should be following proper risk management. Any bad movement in the market can be disastrous for your balance and capital. And please follow proper risk management, because anything may go wrong. My analysis may go wrong as well. Okay, and at the top, okay, apart from these support levels, at the top we have this trend line. Okay, we have this trend line around 1779, 1780. We have this trend line acting as the resistance for the market. If gold starts going up, taking support at 1770 or 1765, if it starts going up from here, then we have a possibility of market facing some selling. Yes, 1780 previously, it was 1780 previously was the support, and the same level will now be acting as the new resistance for the market. And you can see that we have a strong resistance here as well. So if gold starts going up from here, then 1780 should be your exit target. Okay, you can exit at 1780 level because we have a resistance here. And in case the buying pressure is high enough, and if it breaks the level of 1780, then wait for some time. Okay, wait for some time and see how the market is behaving above the 1780 level. If you see market trading comfortably above 1780 level, then you'll get the confirmation, yes, things are about to get critical. You'll get the confirmation that 1780 again, yes, again has become a support for the market. Okay. and ultimately and ultimately we have a resistance at 1790 for the day. Okay, yes, 1790 is the ultimate support for the market right now, because on many instances we have seen gold struggling at 1790 level. So be careful. And if we look at the forex sentiment, sorry, not sentiment meter, if you look at the currency strength meter here, it is loading. Let me change it to 4 hours. Then you can see that this is the US dollar here. Right now we do not have much movement on US dollar. Okay, so in case US dollar gets extremely positive or gets bullish, then obviously you will see selling on gold. So this is a currency strength meter. This is also a very good thing you must be following. Okay, because many times it helps us to stay away from the bad trades. If US dollar is extremely strong and you are taking a trade against it, obviously you are in bad shape, you're in bad position. Okay, so you can also consult this currency strength meter. There are many currency strength meters available online. You can consult whatever you want. Okay, so these are the levels. Hopefully I've understood that you need to keep your eyes on. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again, and be careful when the news will be coming out. Okay, and please follow proper risk management.